You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you say this word? It comes from French. For reference, reprise is how it's said, and that's why in English it's said as reprise. Reprise, so it's kind of between an a schwa sound and an e sound. Reprise, with a stress on that second syllable and a z sound at the end. Reprise is how you say it, both British and American English, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.